Alright, tonight, part 2 of building our engine stand lift. So we're working actually on the top truss. And what we have here is just some angle iron. It's not really angle iron, just some flat steel. We've drilled out some holes with our drill press. I'm going to take you over here to the drill press and kind of show you what we're doing. Alright, so here's our flat steel. We've marked out 4 spots where we're going to drill. And this is our halfway mark. What we're going to do is just put a little bit of oil and turn on. A little bit more oil. Helps keep the blade cool. Okay, I'm going to show you what we've done. We put the angle iron here on this side and we bolted it in. Okay, and then that's what we're going to actually use to bolt this to. This is going to hold our engine hoist. And then on the top side, we just have the top piece of iron, which is this one right here. So we've already drilled the holes in. Okay, now we're going to go over here to the drill press and drill out the angle iron piece. Okay, we'll set you here on the tripod. Alright, so we've now drilled the 4 holes in here, and we have the 4 holes drilled in here, and we're just going to put the bolts in. Okay, and then we will turn it over, put the bolts and nuts through. Totally stopped recording. We just needed to get it done. We'll show you at the end. Alright, well, we finished the engine lift, engine stand, hoist. I kind of skipped through a bunch of the stuff, but I'll kind of walk you through and show you what we did. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just flat worn out. So I'm going to show you what it looks like and how we finished it up, and you can kind of build it from there. So we'll cut that part. We'll cut that part out. Okay, so basically we have 26-inch gussets that go across here on both sides, and we've nailed the 2x4s together. There's 2 of them here, so we nailed them together, 2 on this side, 1 on this side, and then we bolted it here on the side and also up here on the top. We got a bolt right up there on the top coming down. And then we put on a metal bracket. Now this is just angle iron. So we have 1 piece of angle iron here, 1 piece of angle iron here. Then on the top, right there, we have a piece of flat angle iron, and we just have it nut and bolted through here. So then we have a 1/2-inch bolt going across that our engine hoist is sitting on. And then we put some wheels here on the bottom so we can completely move it around. So we'll do another picture here when we get it hooked up to the engine so you can kind of see what it looks like. But we did kind of skip through some of this stuff. So if you do have questions that you didn't see in the video, just post them down below and I'll kind of answer them as soon as I can. But this approximately took us about, the wood and the hardware took, I think I spent about $100 on that, and then the engine hoist I already had, and that was about 80 bucks. So the whole setup's about $200. The nice thing about this is you could use that to remove like a truck bed. You could use it for several other things to lift up a car. It'll hold about 1,500 pounds. And so I guess that's, you know, pretty much about the same thing that you're going to get out of building or just buying a metal one. This one here, we can actually take the sides off right there, take the top off, and it's all, you know, ready to be put wherever you want to store it, however you want to store it. So it's just kind of bolted together. The top truss separates away the top gussets. Those can be removed and stored away until next time you need to use it. So anyway, hopefully you guys liked the video. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. And we'll see you guys on the next video next week. Thanks.